So in just 2 days I created this program, and I'm going to run it to show it how it works. Okay, it opens up a confidential page named The Illegitimates. No one knows how to go further, to proceed further, as it's only a confidential file. So when you click on this label Illegitimates, it opens up a login window and it says please log in below. When we enter the password, the required one, that is, I know the password, I'm typing it up. Okay, it won't show here up, and when you enter go, after writing the correct password, it opens up a confidential database. See this heading, confidential database. Okay, illegitimate, restricted access only. You need to enter a code. There are 12 codes given aside. Okay, among these 12 codes, you may enter any one. Kalu, Mistri, King, Levano, Chakri, Parivar, Bacha, Vizag, Burger, Stone, Slow, or Repu. So let me find it for King. Okay, when I type in King and hit on get info. Oh,